So how do you make oil-free chips? It's not very hard. I will show you in this video. Let's go. So these potatoes were already steamed, and I just let them cool. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna transfer them onto a tray with a baking sheet, and I'm gonna season it. So I've put some paprika on there, some sea salt. Really, you can put whatever. Some people put rosemary on their oil chips, and I'm gonna stick it in the oven at approximately 220 degrees. This is what I find works really well. And you want to stick it in for about maybe 25 to 30 minutes. I just checked them. Some people like them more golden brown. Some people like them more lighter. Some people like them more crispy. I'm gonna serve this with some steamed greens and some chili. But look at those, oil free. Like people said to me, can you make chips without oil? And hands down, you can, and you make it so much healthier. You make it lower in fat. Yeah, you can eat a lot more of these oil free chips, and they won't leave you feeling greasy, and they taste just as good. So here it is. Thank you very much for watching. First episode. And yeah, peace, love, and veganism. I'm out. Quiet essence is compassion. So I love about the lifestyle. It's transformed my life. That's it. It's a trend I don't want to end. It's like the planet is calling out, calling for a friend. Hey. It's a trend I don't want to end. It's like the planet is crying out, can we make amends? So she squeezed. Vegan is that squeeze. Cold press facts brings you to your knees. These portions don't impress, you better bring to a D's. Food so good that she want that recipe, so she got that recipe.